To pair the devices, start with this method. Focus on every detail. This process is key to success. Hold the pairing button for more than 1 second. The red LED will start blinking briefly to signal the pairing mode. Next, hold the prog button on the device you want to control, and continue setting the desired functions on the RF key. Finish the programming by pressing the prog button on the device briefly, and then press the pairing button on the remote briefly. After completing the pairing, you can verify the set functions.